Hi everyone, this is Missy, and today I'll show you how to use your grid keyboard shortcuts within the software. And that just means you might want to move a line up or down or add a new line, and you can do that by using your control up and down buttons. And here's an example. Let's say I'm on my Utilities tab and I'm on my default rate sheet, which looks like an Excel spreadsheet. So these commands work on anything that looks like an Excel. So if I wanted to move a line up or down, I just put my cursor on that line and then click Control up arrow or down arrow to move it wherever I want. If I want to insert a line, I just click on a line, highlight it, and click Control Insert. And then I can move that line up or down by just moving Control arrow up or arrow down. The keyboard shortcuts work on any place in the software that has a grid. So it works on invoices. You can move it up and down there. On a specific job category, job options, resource classes, basically anywhere that has a grid. That's about it for the grid keyboard shortcuts. If you like this video, please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you can click here to see some other additional videos that might be helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.